Hey everyone, welcome to today's live stream. It is Monday, April 17th, 2023. Hope you're doing great. Let's dive in. So this is our home screen. Many of you recognize this. Some of you who are new to our software, welcome by the way. And just want to show you when you log in, this is the screen that you'll see. You see that we have the indexes here. We've got the Dow off slightly, 40 points. The NASDAQ down 37 points. TSX, if you saw that, it just ticked up 24. Got the S&P down, Russell 2000. Oil is down slightly, but so is gold and silver. And for those of you who have been following the channel, I've been highly recommending to purchase gold and silver. The silver has gone up 20% in the last 6 weeks, so it's had a pretty big move here. But whenever you see when it's off like this, buy some more silver, buy more gold. You've got a winning formula, which is buy the dips. And what can you do with this? Well, I get this question a lot. There's many options for gold and silver. I recommend the physical gold and silver, not any type of investment that holds the gold and silver for you. So nothing paper denominated, but rather silver coins, gold coins. You can buy silver bars. You can buy gold bars if you have that type of money to invest. So buy the physical, actual physical gold and silver. You can do multiple things with this as the price goes up over time, and it will. You can take your gold and silver to a reputable coin dealer, silver dealer, and sell the gold and silver if you want. You should be able to transact business with gold and silver. It's one of the most frequently accepted currencies in the world, gold and silver, as long as it's in good condition, pristine. So when you get your 1 ounce gold or silver coins, you'll want to keep those in, a protective cover, like they can actually send it to you in a hard plastic cover. So if you want to handle the gold and silver coins, you'll actually want to wear gloves so that you don't get any type of fingerprint or any type of oils from your hands on the coins. Same thing goes with the gold and silver bars. The key is to keep them in pristine condition because the value will fluctuate based on the condition of the item, like anything, right? Anything physical. Okay, so under the menu button, for those of you who are new, we have this handy dandy thing called Stock Forum. And in our main forum is where you can post any questions that you have. Janice, hey Janice, I see you posted a question. Check out the stock lithium. It's penny stock and increasing 17.95% in a day. Can it be added to SSP? So for anyone who wants to add stocks to our service, you certainly can. All you do is go to the menu button, scroll down to help and support, click on that and see where it says suggest a stock. And then you just type in the symbol there, symbol to add. If you can't find the stock in our system, type in the symbol, click the add button, and we'll add it for you as long as it meets our criteria. And our criteria is meaning that the stock is liquid, it actively trades. We do have a price minimum for a stock, so it can't be like less than, I forget, I think it might be, is it 15 cents, 10 cents, something like that. So we don't follow the teeny tiny little companies. But this is one way for you to add a stock without emailing us for that. Also want to go back to the menu button, still in Stock Forum. We have this amazing stock posts. Chris Johnson has been lighting it up in there. Thanks, Chris, for your contribution. He posted a week ago a company, Hypercharge Networks Corp. It was $1.80, it looks like, up 280% in 2 days. So huge move in that stock. And today it's at 209. So on on a Canadian exchange. That's a really big move. Thank you, Chris, for finding that for us. And he's got more information. As always, do your homework, with these little teeny tiny stocks. They're fun to buy, but you don't want to put, certainly don't want to bet the farm on them. You want to keep your money in conservative large companies that are, steadily growing along the way. So how do you find those? Well, if you go to Sterling Stock Picker, here's one that I found that I thought was interesting. I went from the main menu, winning stocks, stock rockets, and now it doesn't show up there. Where's that stock? Hold on. Was it PWR? Yes, PWR Quanta Services. It showed up there earlier today, but because the market is active, it will, this list constantly updates throughout the trading day. So here's a stock that is going to be my pick of the week. I'm trying to get the whole chart on here. We currently have a buy rating. Oh, right. I found this. It did not show up on Stock Rockets, but rather it showed up in Pick Stocks. So I ran a search for buy now only, industry best, and 5 stars. See that? That's what I clicked. And I had 4 come up. And Quanta Services looked the most compelling and interesting in terms of everything that creates a buy rating for us. So if you look at the chart, you got the steady increase upward, dividend paying stock, although a very small dividend. This would be considered a hybrid stock. But market cap is 24 billion. Let me get rid of my, let's see. There we go. Now you can see the market cap, 24 billion. So this is a really nice size company, and a huge insider buy activity for this stock. Almost 93% are buyers, very, very small percentage in sellers. Short, a very small short shares outstanding, which is positive. It doesn't put, if this was a higher number, let's say 5%, it puts a lot of pressure on a stock because most people are thinking and hoping for the stock to go down. That's not the case with this. That means that 97.25% of all the owners of the stock own it long, which means they're hoping for it to go up. A decent revenue growth, quarterly revenue growth year over year is at 13%. And current ratio 1.63. That means the company is executing on the cash in their portfolio and on their balance sheet. So yeah, it just looks good. Everything looks decent with this company. And then to get more information, you'll want to go to the summary tab, which I passed here. Let's see, company description right there. Company description, click on company description, and you can read about it. They've got 47,000 employees based out of Houston into the infrastructure, electrical power grid. I think they're doing some pretty cool things. So check them out. I'll put their price and the ticker symbol in the comment section for the show today. And it looks like Apple, interesting, getting involved with people's savings account. Apple launches high yield savings account with Goldman in payments push. So if you're an Apple Card user, can now put credit card rewards into a high yield savings account the company has launched with Goldman Sachs. The savings account offers an annual percentage yield of 4.15, which is 10 times the national average. So that's pretty compelling. They're making it compelling for you to put your cash with them. The account can be filled with customers' daily cash rewards from Apple Cards and connects directly to the Apple Wallet. So, can you say one-stop shop here in terms of payments, cash, your cash with Apple, with Goldman Sachs? So it doesn't look. It doesn't. Here we go. Apple's foray into the payment space is seen as a key growth driver for services moving forward. Payment services are continuing to set all new highs all the time for us. So a lot of people using their Apple Card, clearly. Anyway, I just thought this was interesting. Every company is looking for an edge, looking for a way to increase business, to attract cash. They figure probably if you have more cash on your Apple Card, you're going to use it. You're going to spend it, right? So I think this is going to be a fairly quiet week in terms of earnings data. A lot has been coming out recently. A lot of information. Maybe some of you heard that Elon Musk basically closed down Twitter Corporation and rolled it into X Corp, which allegedly is a Florida corporation, although I did some research on sunbiz.org, and that is the online corporation filing for all Florida corporations, and I did not see it in there. So I don't know, half the stuff that we get information via the news might be a little suspect, but it said this was as of Wednesday of last week. Elon Musk just killed Twitter. Twitter Inc. no longer exists. It's now X Corp, another step towards the everything app. So I've always said we're going to a technocratic environment where these tech companies are going to run everything. Elon Musk has been the leader for that. He's been the leader for it for many years now. So now there's going to be the everything app, or what could be the most powerful fintech company in the world. So you remember Elon Musk was part of PayPal years ago, and so he's got the financial payment situation dialed in. A filing in the Southern District of Florida shows that Twitter Inc. has been merged with X Corp, and now Twitter, as we know it, no longer exists. So a whole new phase for Twitter. We're going to see what happens with this. I think we should watch it closely because I don't know about you, but this everything app I can't imagine. I don't even know what it's about. Does anyone? Tell me in the comments section. Leave your thoughts and opinions. I'd love to hear it. Have a great week, and we'll see you on the next call. Thanks, everyone.